Hello, this is Don Branson making a video for my friend in South Carolina. Wanted some information about the rear carrier, luggage rack, top case. That's my hand. It's not a big area. They do make a top case for this. You have to buy a plate. They're the screws and like bolt it down and then you bolt the top case on it. But it's not much of a, it's pretty small. But my opinion is top cases I don't care too much for. But if you need it, you need it. I would buy a bag that you strap down and put on here. But I've never had a top case on here on the motorcycle. Most of the time I take the side cases off because I'm kind of a day tripper, or just a weekend wanderer. I don't take a lot of stuff. Sometimes I do. But these pop off real easy. But they do make a case. GV makes a case. Pretty nice case. GV does make some cases that bolt up there. But this is the bike. It's Saturday morning. I'm going to be in South Carolina basically a week from tomorrow. I'll be there on September the 30th. This is the bike still here. Still got the battery tender plugged in. So got the big windscreen on. Still charges up, no problem. Starts right up. Still got good tires. Pirelli tires. Heated grips. I haven't drove it at all since you put the deposit on it. But that's the rear tail. You can buy a tail bag. But they have top cases that have a little backrest, kind of sort of a cushion to go in the curve of your back there. But you have to buy a plate. It's about $100, and then the top case. And there's less expensive alternatives, really just depending on what you want to do. But the bike's still here. And like I said, we're going to be leaving a week from today. Saturday morning. September 29th, we're going to be leaving. Got extra keys. Heated grips. It's got a little glove box here. You can also adjust your headlights, the angle of them. So, frame protectors. So, this is it, man. That's the about the size of your hand. It's not but there's a plate that goes here, like I said, and you bolt that down on the rear carrier here. I call this the rear carrier, luggage rack, really whatever you want to call it. But I've never had one on there, and I don't think the other guy had it on here because he only drove it about 6,000 miles in 9 years. So it's not even hardly riding. Anyway, if you have any other questions, Rhett, give me a call, and I'll make another video. Bike's still here. Bike's still good. Battery tender in. And we're ready to roll. See ya. Bye.